Hello everyone, I'm Sham. Welcome back to our channel, The Truth of India. Today we are discussing a major milestone in India's semiconductor journey. The launch of Dhruv 64, India's first fully indigenous 1.0 GHz 64-bit dual-core microprocessor. This development is not just about a chip, this is about technology, sovereignty, strategic independence, and India's future in advanced computing. Why this processor matters for India. Microprocessor are the brain of every modern electronic system, from smartphone to laptop to automobile, medical equipment, defense system, and satellite. India consumes nearly 20% of the world's microprocessor, yet historically depend on imports. Owning processor technology is critical for national security, digital infrastructure, and economic resilience. This is where the Dhruv 64 becomes significant. What Dhruv 64 is? Dhruv 64 is fully indigenous microprocessor developed by CDAC, the Microprocessor Development Program of Government of India. Key technical highlight: 64-bit dual-core architecture, 1.0 GHz operating frequency, designed using modern processor and architecture, built for high efficiency, multitasking, and reliability. It supports out order processing, supercar, scalar execution, and one-chip communication and control function, making it suitable for real-world development across the sector. Where can Dhruv 64 be used? Dhruv 64 is not a lab prototype. It is designed for strategic commercial application including 5G infrastructure, automotive system, industrial automation, consumer electrics, and Internet of Things. Its architecture allows seamless integration with internal hardware, enabling system designer to build complete indigenous solution. Dhruv 64 strengthened India's self-reliant semiconductor ecosystem. Before Dhruv 64, India had already developed processors such as Sakti from IIT Madras, Ajit from IIT Bombay, Vikram from ISRO and SCL, and Tejas 64 by CDAC. Dhruv 64 built on the foundation of Constellation India processor roadmap by offering a modern, scalable, deep-level platform. Role of RISCV and Digital India program. Dhruv 64 is built on RISCV, an open instruction set architecture. Why this matter? No license fee, open innovation, shared development across academia, startups, and industry. It is a part of Digital India RISCV DIRIB program aligned with vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Under DIRB, Tejas 32 was fabricated abroad and Tejas 64 was fabricated domestically, and Dhruv 64 becomes the third major chip. Dhanush and Dhanush Plus processor are already under development. Institutional support ecosystem. This process is backed by a strong institutional framework made Y for policy of funding, CDAC, processor design and IP creation, India Semiconductor Mission, Chief of Staff Program Design Link Incentive Scheme. Together, these initiatives are building talent, infrastructure, and long-term capability. Dhruv 64 represents a clear shift from independence to design leadership. From Tejas to Dhruv 64, and now Dhanush, India is executing a credible, ingenious processor roadmap. This is not the end. This is the foundation of India's future and advanced and computing semiconductor innovation. Then what do you think? Dhruv 64 is going to be the next powerful weapon of India and digital world. What do you think? Please be open to give your view. Till then, thank you so much.